Hi, I'm Trisha Morris from Club Scrap. Have you been on a road trip recently? If so, I have the perfect scrapbooking page kit for you. It's our newest collection called Freeway. Let's take a look. I love the contemporary style of the prints we've included in this kit. You'll get 2 sheets of this really cool block print, and then 2 sheets of this awesome road print. And I love the modern masculine feel of this. It kind of gives you the feel of a city without actually giving you a city. And to coordinate with those 4 gorgeous prints, you'll get 2 of this really neat dusty blue, 2 gold, 2 gray, and 2 black. And all of those papers are an 80-pound cover weight. Now, to me, one of the hardest things about finishing a scrapbooking page is coming up with the title and other coordinating images to match the memories I'm keeping. Now, we've got that solved here at Club Scrap with our 12 by 12 printed cut-aparts. After you trim the individual elements from the sheet, and I'll help you do that, you'll have everything you need to make quick work of finishing those pages, as well as inspiring your journaling. Another huge time saver we have here at Club Scrap is the provision of a dozen photo mats. These are already trimmed to 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, so the 12 mats you receive will mat 12 4 by 6 photos in a snap. I like to zhuzh up my pages with some additional embellishments. In this kit, we've got 3 yards of ribbon. You've got a really beautiful, dusty blue cotton ribbon, this granulated ribbon in deep black with a grosgrain edge, and then this gold satin ribbon with that taffeta edge. And then you can finish off your pages with these jumbo manila tags and then 2 smaller manila tags, a set of 5 mini car woodcuts, and then we found these fun coordinating silver charms. You've got a Route 66, a railroad crossing sign, a little miniature key, and a traffic light. Now, while it's really fun to receive a kit in the mail, it can be a little bit intimidating. Like, where do I even start? We have that problem solved here at Club Scrap. Just simply download and print your instructions if you like, and then follow along step by step where I will walk you through turning all of the materials that came in the box into 8 12 by 12 scrapbook pages. The best part is, if you're not a fan of reading instructions, you don't even have to do that. Just join my video workshop and I'll hold your hand the whole entire time. And here are the first 2 pages. We work in double page spreads. You can see right away photos are central, but we do incorporate all of the things that came in the box. Here I transformed that jumbo tag into a pocket that holds some paper that I've planned, and I will help you trim to fit into that little pocket. It's so adorable. And of course, we use all the ribbons we included in the kit. More photo mats are central. Those cut-aparts really help you finish things off and inspire you to do your journaling. And here are the final 2 pages of the set. What's so cool about this is when you are finished with these pages, you will have nothing left from your kit except for these gorgeous layouts. Now, in the 26 years we've been creating kits for scrapbookers all over the world, the best part is you don't need to be a member to give us a try. So grab that Freeway Page Kit, and I look forward to seeing you in my workshop. It's ready for you to watch now.